Today we're using Canon R5 with a 50mm lens. Maybe let's put this down. I'm going to attach the plate. Is this the right plate? I think that's the right plate. We'll soon find out. When we try to attach it, it doesn't fucking attach. That's the wrong plate. Knew it. This is the right plate because it's got the red logo on. Da-dum-da-dum. Nice and tight. Get this up to height. Don't know what chair to sit on this time. Maybe I'll just stick to the little wheelie stool because let's be fucking for real, no one's gonna see the chair anyway. It's more so about just like comfortability of the position that you're sat in. And I want to be away from the backdrop because we want some depth to the shot. So maybe like there. I'm just shooting natural light, so I'm gonna need a reflector because the light's coming from this direction and I'm just gonna have a big old shadow down my. I'm just gonna use the baby reflector because there's no need for such a big one when it's just me. Oh, so cute. I think that actually this probably needs to be taller. Did I grow? What age do you stop growing, start shrinking? They don't teach you things that you actually need to know in school, do they? Because I need to know that information. Right, I'm shooting a 50mm, so let's see how, whoa. See how far away I need to be. Secure the bag. Not that you can fucking see anything that I'm doing because my back is totally to you. But let's put that there, turn this on. Wow. That's the perfect height. I feel like this is giving grease lightning. 10 seconds on the timer. Let's see how bad I'm totally out of focus. What's the heck gonna do? I wonder if I should use my new 10 to 18mm. So I'm actually gonna switch lens so that I can sit closer and take the picture. Take off classic portrait lens and do our new 10mm to 18mm RFS lens. Let's turn it on and see how it looks. Wow. I can be like so close and yeah, let's drop my lowest f-stop is 6.3. Oh dear. This is gonna be very small, like we're talking like profile picture, oh no, profile picture on like LinkedIn kind of thing. I feel like the glasses just give a little bit of pizzazz. I'm gonna have to take them off. Cute for me, not for LinkedIn. Need to be a little bit taller. Wish I was a baller. Oh wow, my hair is so shiny. I feel like this whole thing is just gonna be a plug for Danielle. That might work. I'm gonna fucking hate it. That's disgusting. I realised that I actually wasn't looking in the camera in that one that I thought was good because I was looking at myself in the screen. So that's absolutely terrible. So that needs to be totally redone. Touchdown, baby! Yeah, that's it. I'm done. Got it. That's a wrap. Turn you off. And look at me. I'm gonna put the plate away. Such a good studio right now. That's a wrap.